Hey friends, so I am back in the kitchen and I'm making some Zuppa Toscana. Now this is the Italian sausage and potato soup that you will find at the Olive Garden. So this is just a rendition of it. It may not be exactly like it, but it tastes damn near. So my mom saw me making this online, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to make it again, but this time I'll record it vertically for those who like to watch videos on their phones in a vertical view. Now what I have here is some Italian seasoning. I also have some fennel seeds and some onion powder that I am stirring up into this Italian ground sausage. I'm also going to set that aside and add some minced garlic. I'm adding some onions to this. For the folks who knows me and my hubby, he does not like onions, but since this is for my mom, I can put all the onions that I want. I've also added some flour to this and some better than bouillon chicken base, which is basically to make like a chicken broth, but this chicken base is really, really good. Now the next steps is for me to add in a total of 6 cups of water. So I'm gonna add a little bit and I'm going to whisk up that flour as well as that chicken base so that it becomes smooth and add in the rest of the water. The next steps is to add in some yellow potatoes. I've sliced those up thinly and I've added it to this pot that's been simmering for approximately 20 minutes. The next thing I'm doing is adding in some kale. So this is like one bunch of kale. It's like 4 cups after you've chopped it up really, really well. You stir that all in there and then you're going to cook that for about 12 minutes. While all of this has been simmering, I've been baking some bacon. So I bake my bacon. This is a thick cut applewood bacon. So after I've baked it, I'm putting it in my food processor and I'm going to chop that up. So this bacon is going to go, half of it is going to go into the soup. The other half you'll use as a garnish for later. So I'm going to pour in that Italian sausage as well as half of that bacon, stirring this all up. And I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then this soup is going to be ready to be served. So yeah, making this soup is super easy. I hope you all liked what I cooked in the kitchen today. And again, you can find all of the ingredients and the times and all the things about this recipe on my website at plussizeinchicago.com. So friends, I hope you like what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel or you're following me on those social media platforms. If you are new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.